Alright, so this is going to be quite a short video compared to the ones I've been doing lately, but it's raining out. I wanted to go drift, so I'm going to throw together a sort of little street drift video of my Miata. Per Nick Damiani's request, I'm gonna start putting the camera higher, not right at the dash. And we're lost again. Hey. I was just waiting. Oh, did you hear that pop? Yeah, I was just waiting for us to go into one of those banks. Really what I'm doing is just trying to get more comfortable being sideways and just learn how to react to things better. Uh-huh. What the fuck? It just dump trucked so hard. Alright guys, so this may be a shorter video than the ones I've been trying to post lately, but it should be a good one. I'm about to let Harrison drift my car, rip it, or whatever he's gonna do. I gave Harrison the gist of what he should do. I mean, he has some of it. He's drifted quads and shit. But we're at the sketchy intersection. It's on a main road, but this is one of the most open intersections we have around here. So I'm gonna let him get in the driver's seat, and hopefully he doesn't crash my car, or I'm getting a new Subaru Impreza.
Nope, it's a Legacy.
Or I'm getting a new Subaru Legacy. Alright, yeah, so pull like towards the stop sign, and then jack it and spin them. And Harris, please don't stuff it. Like, start doing 180s, you know what I mean? And then try to do a full 3. And don't smash limiter. He's gonna smash limiter. I'm gonna go do lookout things, because if a car's coming by, I don't want them to come by as he like slides out into the road. Car, that's why I'm here. Oh, he just stalled. Hey buddy, nothing to see here. Hopefully he doesn't hit me. Alright, Harry. Show me what you got. Wasn't bad. He started understeering and almost hit those poles, which was my exact fear. Let's see if he's gonna try it again or if he's sketched out after that. Keep in the throttle! He's all nervous. Not bad, he realized he fucked up and stopped. I mean, not bad for literally his first time drifting a car ever. He didn't stuff it, so I'm proud of that. But we're gonna bounce now, because this is a very sketchy area. Like, this is a bad spot to be unless you're literally just coming through, linking this once and leaving. So we're gonna get the hell out of here. Just try to do the Doge style skid.
What, just like into
Just
it?
throw it out, yeah. You're good, there's no cars. Throw it, hammer it. Why'd you pull back on the steering?
What do you mean?
Shift, Jesus Christ, shift.
What do you mean, why?
If you like this video, hit that like button. If you didn't, go in the comments, tell me why you didn't like it, or just go in the comments, tell me what you want to see in future videos. If you're new, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.